Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge for diffusion, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off adaptive brightness on this smartphone. Begin with opening device's settings, then scroll down just a bit and click on display. After that, you need to select this gray sweater next to adaptive brightness. And now, auto brightness is on. If you wish to turn it off, you can always do that by clicking on the same sweater one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!